Howdy folks. So I just finished building this motor and installing it into this Honda. It's got a forged bottom end, nice built motor. But after about 20 minutes of driving, when it gets real nice and hot, it starts to make this noise. Kind of a spooky noise, sounds like it's related to the rotating assembly, but the speed that it knocks at and the fact that it doesn't change with RPM leads me to believe that it's not rotating assembly, so I started chasing some other things. And here's one thing I found. Now check out this exhaust gasket right here. This is the gasket that goes right below my cat, and it sits right inside of there. It should look something like this, if this would focus, but as you can see, it's missing quite a bit of it. And if you look at the other side of the sealing surface, you can see it's nice and clean, and where that break was, there's a lot of black soot around there. So I think what was happening is when it got real hot, things would heat up and expand, and that would open up just enough to allow that exhaust leak to happen. Let's replace this and see what happens. Check back in part 2.